Some relief tonight for parents worried about how they were going to pay for their child's health care.
A deal has been reached between Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield and Connecticut Children's Medical Center so that medical claims will be covered. News 8's Jocelyn Mementa joins us now with more on this. Joss.
Sonia Darren, for 2 months now, hundreds of families have been in limbo trying to figure out what steps to take if the contract dispute between Connecticut Children's Medical Center and Anthem was not resolved. You can almost hear that collective sigh of relief with today's announcement.
Families like Tim and Sarah O'Connell were caught in the middle of the tug of war between Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield and Connecticut Children's Medical Center. Their son Brady, diagnosed with hydrocephalus, needed precautionary checkups. News of an agreement was timely.
We were thinking about maybe jumping onto her insurance, maybe switch insurance companies, and it's an existing condition with Brady, so we didn't know if it would be covered.
At issue, a reimbursement rate from Anthem for services the hospital countered was far below the national average. Stressed out parents called the Office of the Healthcare Advocate.
Every case was a crisis case, very difficult to deal with. Families panicking because their children had very complex healthcare needs.
The problem was so potentially divisive that Governor Malloy weighed in.
I've been urging both sides to move and move and move until they got to a deal, and they've done it. And I think there's a lot of happy parents out there right now. This is a critically important hospital that does things that literally are not done anywhere else.
They're great companies, and they both deserve what's, rightfully theirs. But we were definitely held in the middle, and it was just difficult and stressful, and we're happy it's over.
The O'Connells held off scheduling a recommended MRI for Brady. Now that is set for next Monday. Healthcare advocate Vicki Veltri tells me she is looking at working with legislators about crafting a bill forcing parties in a contract dispute to keep things status quo while hammering things out so that families don't have to deal with something like this again. Really